One of the best features of the Milo layout is the dinette seating area at the back. It's a U-shaped sofa, so you can sit 4 people around it comfortably. And you have this large table in the middle for playing games, using it as an office desk and eating your dinner as well. So it's a really communal space in this van, which we really love. Personally, I love backing up to a beautiful view, opening up the back doors and, you know, being on my laptop, watching a film with a beautiful view out the door. It's really, really nice.